Students, today we are discuss the second method of measurement of national income, value added method, which is also called product method. Dear students, according to this method, national income is a multiplication of current price and quantity in domestic territory and accounting year. Clear beta? So first of all, see guys, the value added method. According to this method, NY national income, the multiplication of current price and quantity, domestic territory and accounting year. That's your accounting year. That's your domestic territory. Current price, quantity, and that's your multiplication. So what is national income? In domestic territory and accounting year, the multiplication of current price and quantity is called national income according to value added method. Clear? See once again, according to value added method, what is national income? In domestic territory and accounting year, multiplication of current price and quantity is called national income. Clear beta? Now we are discuss production is possible in three sectors. First one, primary sector. Next one, secondary sector. Next one, service sector. Dear students, now we discuss value added. What is value added? So, value added, it is a difference between value of production or value of intermediate goods. What is value of production? Value of production is equal to sales plus change in stock, and change in stock is a difference between closing stock or opening stock. Now we are discuss intermediate goods. A goods contribute in production process is called intermediate goods like raw material. So value added is a difference between value of production or value of intermediate goods. Value of production is the sum of sales and change in stock. Change in stock is a difference between closing stock or opening stock. Now we have discussed the types of value added. Types of value added. We have three types of value added. Gross value added at market price. Next one, net value added at market price. Next one, net value added at factor cost. First of all, we are discuss gross value added at market price. So dear students, it is a difference between value of production or value of intermediate goods. Value of production is a difference between sales plus value of production is a sum of sales plus change in stock. And change in stock is a difference between closing stock or opening stock. Now we are discuss net value added at market price. So dear students, that's your gross value added at market price, and you will convert gross in net, so minus depreciation. Next one, net value added at factor cost. So net value added at market price, and market price convert in factor cost minus net indirect tax. Net indirect tax is the difference between indirect tax or subsidies. Dear students, we will find out national income, means NNP at FC. So we will find net value added at factor cost, and you will add NFIA, then it will be converted in national income. NFIA is the difference between factor income from abroad minus factor income to abroad. Clear beta? So with the help of value added method, you will easily find out national income. Clear? First of all, you will find out gross value added at market price. After that, you will find out net value added at market price. After that, you will find out net value added at factor cost, and then you will find out national income. Clear beta? See guys, the question is given. The question is given beta. Sales like 5,000, closing stock 1,000, opening stock 500, value of intermediate goods like 2,000, depreciation 50 rupees, net indirect tax 100 rupees, NFIA 200 rupees. Find national income. So dear students, national income means NNP at FC. If we find net value added at factor cost, then we will add NFIA, then question will be solved out. So first of all, we will find out net value added at factor cost. So with the help of this formula, when we find out gross value added at market price, then we can easily find out and net value added factor cost. Gross convert in net minus depreciation, or market convert in factor cost minus net indirect tax. So dear students, first of all, we will find out gross value added at market price. The formula: value of production minus value of intermediate goods. So first of all, we will find out the value of production. It is a sum of sales and change in stock. The sales is 5,000, change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock 1,000 minus 500. So that's your 5,000 plus ka 500, that's your 5,500. Value of production 5,500. Value of intermediate goods 2,000, so that's your 3,500. Clear? Gross value added at market price 3,500 minus depreciation 50 rupees minus net indirect tax, that's your 100 rupees. So 150 also subtract that's your 3350. That's your net value added factor goes 3350 plus NFIA, that's your 200, so that's your 3550 national income, means NNP at FC. Clear beta? That's your question. So dear students, with the help of this formula you can solve out the question easily. Clear beta? If you have any doubt, any topic, then you can contact me. Thank you very much beta.